My people, now welcome to another Bonga episode. We thank Papa God when they keep us alive, when they see this day. Thank you to everybody when they send me message, they ask where I enter since so when in our life happen. Nigeria with their wahala. But we thank Papa God make us pass through everything or every battle. Today I go to yarn about this CNG matter, this gas matter so everybody just they convert to e dey safe for our roads and wetin be the best option, because all of us know as Nigerians we get this habit of say we no dey careful for wetin we dey do. Everything na gbagba gbogbo, everything na say we want to try to cut corners for anything wey we dey do. So na that thing I want me we look into today, so because the way the story dey be, most of all these people when they do conversion for their vehicles, the people when they in charge of doing the conversion, so they go use better materials to do am. They no go through one cut corners. They'll collect money for your hand. Gonna use cheap particle things to they do am. All those one are the things when we say we go they look at. So it go they healthy, it go good, because if you they look around now, you go they pass up CNG filling stations. You go they see all those one are filling stations when we say petrol when they get that time, those days very low. That time when I know CNG na 20 naira a liter they say now about 200, I be 200 plus, and you they see queue go long, some queue 3 days. You just see queue go your day, and the commercial not be small money. But is it good? Because we don't hear situation for those states that day when one of the CNG station where they fill the gas for one motor, it explode. Those are the things when they look to. I dey expect the government to reduce fuel, bring back subsidy or do something. Because why we can't get the Dangote refinery? Make person see enlighten us. Because me now, the whole thing called they make do me wow for my ear. You know, call they clear. Because me no just understand what they happen at all. Because personally, I no gbadu this CNG matter. I no gbadu this conversion of a thing. Because we Nigerians, we know ourselves. We just get this habit of they careless. We dey hear accidents when we say some drunk drivers. They go in, you hit you for back of your car. Whoa! Situation like that now can't happen. The car no go explode. All those one are waiting we go look at, because I know just I did very concerned. You go enter some 2K, you go enter some of those taxi, all of them don't convert to gas. It's safe with our weather, the way our weather today very hot. We see the weather time fuel there, everybody won't go they convert their generator to gas. We see the outcome. Some of all those generators, some of them explode for their houses. So me no understand. So now something when we say we go see think about. Now what is they sustainable and what is they good in the long run? Because everybody they enter CNG, and the government they promote CNG. Now they promote am. I do not get what is on the game. For instance, I want to they promote am, because I know the city government they convert their official cars to CNG, but the same citizens convert their own. Because no be wetin I see the gbadu, because the whole issue, I know say everybody go see na God the save person, other than that. Now God the save person, but we'll see why we'll see use our head. Make government reduce for the fuel price, make they reduce am. This matter of say maybe they run, they go they convert to CNG. No be wetin I gbadu, because in a life first, you know if you get motor now, when motor go be like death sentence for your eye. Fine, the thing they cheap, but is it safe? It's safe. That one we go they preach, it's safe. But my people, I think we will see advise ourselves, we will see talk. But that measures they we take safeguard ourselves, my people.